Hello guys, today I want to announce a discount week on Laravel Daily. So this video is about presenting 40% discount called Back to School, which I've been doing for a few years in a row. So every first week of September, we're all kind of saying goodbye to the summer and getting back, dive into work and career improvements and leveling up your career. And why not learn with Laravel Daily? So only this week until September 8th, you have 40% off lifetime membership or first year of yearly membership with discount code SCHOOL24. And what are you getting as a premium member? I will briefly run through the article that I've published on LaravelDaily.com. First, you get premium courses, of course, and we've been very busy this week with the team in 2024 to first update older courses to Laravel 11, so we can actually browse around those courses now. So testing for beginners, how to structure projects, structuring databases, multi-tenancy, view course, beginner course, which is free, eloquent course, how to create API course, all updated to Laravel 11. And then on top of that, we released new courses like design patterns in Laravel 11, like filament visual customizations, a separate course about Laravel Reverb. So 2024 was really busy with new courses, so you get all of that. Also, we got back active in publishing premium tutorials, which is kind of not the short tips, but also not the full course. It's kind of deep dive into one specific topic. For example, service providers, which changed in Laravel 11 because there's no list of app providers. There used to be 5 service providers by default in Laravel. Now there's just one, and there's Bootstrap apps. So all of that in a deep dive. For example, clean code in Laravel, another article. So we took like clean code principles and showing the examples of Laravel. Then try catch. I think that we all know the syntax, but we don't know the specific examples of when to use try catch and what to do inside of the catch blocks. So I've gathered practical examples from that and more premium tutorials. So another thing that you're getting as a premium member. Then also you're getting the access to the repositories because we're trying to attach the repositories to whatever content is premium. Also have announced already on Twitter, there are a few courses already in the works. For example, roles and permissions in Laravel, but not just Laravel, but also we will touch roles and permissions in Filament, Vue, React, Inertia. Also, we're planning the course about PEST 3, Filament 4, and more new stuff. Also, you get access to private Discord where you can access my team and ask questions. And the final thing you're not getting as a premium member, but you contribute as a premium member. You support Laravel Daily as a team, but you also support the people who cannot afford Laravel Daily premium memberships because then I get more time to shoot free videos for those people on YouTube. So yeah, all of that, 40% off with the discount code SCHOOL24 only this week. And if you have any questions about your membership or what's inside Laravel Daily Premium or something like that, just email me, povilas@laraveldaily.com, and let's discuss. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.